Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training, and today I have some best stability exercises to gain balance for beginners. That's right, if you are just starting on your fitness journey, then this will be a great workout to start off with, especially to help you with your mobility, your stability, all that jazz. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna get ourselves into a nice deep squat hold in 3, 2, and 1. 30 seconds on the clock, feet shoulder width apart, and just really focus on sitting back down in here. Now, if you can't get yourself in this deep of a position, then feel free to get some sort of stool or lower surface that you can just sit on. You can also hold onto something as well, but the goal is we really want to open up our hip flexors and really make sure our back is flat, our core is tight, and just sit in there as deep as you can. And I know it's gonna be sometimes kind of stressful, but don't worry, as you get used to doing this, your body will loosen up and it will thank you for it. So 3, 2, and 1. Get yourself up out of that position. Great job. But you're gonna be going back onto the ground for a plank. This is our next exercise. Now these exercises are very gentle on the body, but I'm telling you, if you can master these, you are gonna become bulletproof. So get yourself into a plank position. I'm gonna go ahead and get onto my elbows. So we're gonna do 30 seconds and here we go. So really just, you want your back flat, core tight. I like to have my elbows and my fingers pressed into the ground. Gives me a nice stable base. We are working out the core for this one. It's gonna be trying to stabilize you in this position. Now, if this is too difficult for you, you can go down into knees and you can do a hands and knees position, right? But just make sure you are doing more of an isometric push. So really pushing the ground away with your hands and with your knees and your toes and squeezing with your core. So we go 3, 2, and 1. Next, we have some tibia calf raises. Get on up. There's gonna be a lot of ups and downs, sorry. It's just part of the game. So here we go. You're gonna wanna either hold on to something. We're gonna be alternating between doing a tibia raise, which is basically trying to get your toes to meet the front of your foot like that, or your calf, or your tibia, right? Just here, and then calf raise like that. So we're just gonna alternate, boom, almost into like this rocking motion like this. So 30 seconds and let's go. So tibia raise and boom. Your ankles, your feet are the first contact you have with the ground, but the stronger your ankles and your feet and your calves are, the more stable of a base you will have, especially when you're working out, when you're walking, when you're running, whatever you're doing. These are the exercises you want to not neglect. Here you go, a couple more seconds here. Again, we just want to really feel it up in here. This also helps prevent shin splints. Get the calf raise, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Last but not least, we have bird dog holds. So get on down to the ground. We are going to be getting in this hands and knees position, and we are just going to focus 15 seconds one side of holding the bird dog position. I'll show you in just a second. In 3, 2, and 1. So fully extend that arm and that leg, kick it straight back. We're gonna do 15 seconds this side, 15 seconds the next. Make sure you're breathing, keeping that core tight. Really just try to extend as far as you can. Switching in 3, 2, and 1. Catch your breath, and boom. Right back to the other side. Really extend forward, kick that leg back out, straight as you can. Make sure you're breathing. Couple more seconds here, you're doing amazing. 3, 2, and release. Great job, those are your 4 exercises for strengthening your stability and helping with your balance. And again, they seem unorthodox, but I'm telling you, you do these enough times, you are gonna be feeling the results. So here we go. Let's grab some water before we get started with our second set.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.
All right, you know exactly what you're doing now. So let's talk in my part, more doing on yours. Get started right now. Squat hold in 3, 2, 1, go. Plank in 3, 2, 1, go. Tibia and calf raises in 3, 2, 1, go. Bird dog hold in 3, 2, 1, go. Switching in 3, 2, 1, switch. Great job, second set done, water time, and then one more set to go. Squat hold in 3, 2, 1, go. Plank in 3, 2, 1, go. Tibia and calf raises in 3, 2, 1, go. Bird dog hold in 3, 2, 1, go. Switching in 3, 2, 1, switch. And there you have it. As your best stability exercises to gain balance For beginners, that's a tongue twister, but hopefully you feel like your stability, your mobility, your balance has improved, because I know mine has. But feel free to continue to do these type of exercises daily, or at the very least weekly, and you will see improvement on your health and fitness journey. I am Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.